So I have ordered clothes storage or clothes wardrobe, whatever you call, from Temu. I have received it and now I'm gonna unbox it and I will share with you guys how I organize this. I'm gonna use this closet for my kids. So let's just unpack and let me show you. So open it and look at this. So many PVC pipes. Tees and then this cover. Let's set this up. So as you can see right now, this is how my kids room storage, clothing, whatever I have, this is how I have organized. I totally hate it and now I'm gonna arrange this. So let's get rid of all this thing and then rearrange everything. There is instruction how to build this rack, and like this is the closet I'm gonna build. So this is the final look and I love it. It's nicely looking and it's more organized than before, easy to find all the clothes and items. As you can see, let me give you close look. And it's nice and sturdy. It's not like cheap material, like you can see, you cannot even bend it, so it's good quality. The only thing is I was not able to do this same part continue to up to there because my closet has this thing in the center, so I was not able to use the last part, but that's okay. And also I was not able to use the dust cover because of that thing, but that's fine. Still works for me. And mostly I was looking for the shelves so I can divide the clothes and can be more organized and easy to find. So that's what I was looking for and I got that, so I'm happy with it. This is a great alternative to the closet or wardrobe which cost thousands. So if you are not in rush and not want to spending that much money, this is the best way you can organize your closet. So give this a try. And this Temu link you can find in my bio and in description box. And I have also shared in other videos about this three bins, this bin over here that you can store a lot of clothes here, and then this hanger too. As you can see, this one is saving you a lot of space, but look at this. If you go, I'm using one hand, so but look at this, you can still see all your clothes and you can save a lot of space here. So I gotta order more of this because I love it. And again, detail for this product will be in my description box, and the links you can find in my bio under link tree or just in my bio if you're watching this on YouTube. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.